What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I don't think I've ever reviewed a C6 Corvette, so let's check this one out. It's a Grandsport 2013, but it's modified by Callaway, so it's got a supercharger. It's got a couple little Callaway bits. Let me know if you guys saw the Minecraft video that I posted. Again, going a little different direction, just kind of experimenting here. Low-key, I kind of want to start a gaming channel, but I need your guys' feedback to tell me, you know, what's going on here. If you would actually enjoy content like that. The video got a couple more dislikes than usual, but that could be just because of the god-awful audio. I did order a microphone on Amazon, by the way, so it's on the way. We're gonna get better audio for the gaming video, but also for my car reviews. But right now I'm just using the microphone that's built into my Galaxy S10. So new mic is on the way, but let's check this Callaway Grandsport out. Now I gotta tell you, this generation of Corvette comes from the C6 era, which the first one came out in 2005. So as far as interior quality, we're looking at mid-2000s General Motors. I don't have super high hopes, if I'm honest, but you know, let's try it out. Obviously no back seat this time. All right, let's see what we're working with here. This is crappy plastic. It feels like it can just pop out at any second. All right, let's do the button test. And now for the final button. All right, how did it do? Well, guys, to my surprise, fit and finished well, I feel like is a little bit of a mixed bag. I feel that some of the panels are just a little bit loose, but they don't really squeak all that much, which is weird. It's a little bit hard for me to score it, honestly, in that regard, because it's not super squeaky. But again, little things like this coming out, this kind of, I feel like there's a notch in here somewhere. Like, it doesn't feel right, but it doesn't squeak all that much. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 for fit and finish. If it wasn't for the slightly loose panels, I'd say 8 out of 10 as far as like the squeaks go. It did better than I thought it would, actually. Materials, on the other hand, are a little bit different. We got soft touch up here, but it's a little bit on the harder end of soft touch. Soft touch over here. Texture's bad for all this stuff, and then this is kind of cheap plastic GM. All the buttons in here, by the way, are pretty awful. Again, mid-2000s General Motors. Yeah, just everything is quite cheap as far as the buttons and switches go. This is like a plastic here. This is soft touch, but with bad texture. Now these seats, if these really are leather, it's on the lowest possible grade of leather. I mean, they do not feel soft or supple at all, but they're not cloth. They don't entirely feel like MB Techs either, so I don't know what the hell these are, if it's very, very, very cheap leather. We do have cloth sun visors. It's kind of a crappy cloth, if I'm honest. Like, this is kind of cheap. It looks like it was just hastily done. And then we got leather steering wheel, which is always nice. I mean, this car, I think brand new, is like 60 grand, so it's to be expected. Yeah, I think the interior should get a 5 out of 10. Guess it's not horrible. At least there is quite a bit of soft touch in the upper parts and whatnot. Like down here, though, is crappy GM plastic, but at least it's not completely all that material. So there we go. 7 out of 10 for fit and finish, 5 out of 10 for materials. Let me know what you guys think. Also, don't forget the materials fit and finish score. This whole interior review thing has nothing to do with the way the actual car drives or handles or anything. I mean, this car drives pretty awesome, actually, but that's not what we're focusing on with these videos. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys think about the gaming videos too. Again, that was an experiment. Apologize again for the horrible audio, but one of those lapel mics is on the way, so better audio is coming. Let me know if you guys want to see that kind of stuff, though. I know it's weird to be a car enthusiast that focuses on the interior but then is also into gaming. Like, it's a very niche thing, I guess. But anyway, give me some feedback. Let me know if that's the right thing to do. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.